Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I am giving an update on my indoor gardening, my hydroponic gardening systems, and oh my god, it's just amazing. I started this journey in September 2024, and look where we are now. Update on my bell pepper. You see we got one. You see that bell pepper? Oh my god, and it looked like another one wants to come up. I'm so excited, y'all. Okay? I'm very excited. I'm gonna prune some of this back. We have more flower buds going on. I already pollinated them. Hopefully we'll get some more going on. But here is an update. I'm excited. Okay? So I'm gonna prune some of these leaves so that my other can, grow, so it can pay more attention to the peppers that's coming. See all that pollen down there? All right, so I just harvest some rainbow chard, parsley, and some of my romaine lettuce, some of the Lola Rosa, and so this garden is some parsley I said already. And so I cut it down. So hopefully our kale will do some. I'm going to take off some of the kale, and hopefully it'll do better. But this garden is about to be gone, except for the rainbow chard, and the parsley is doing amazing. Now this is the romaine lettuce. I have harvested so much. I don't know what happened here. You can see that. So if somebody could help me out and let me know what that may be. And look, you see the milk from me plucking off of, I call it milk. From me taking some of the romaine lettuce, and now it's up here. So the lettuce is about to be gone. As you can see, it's time. The arugula, it seemed to not be growing any further anymore. So what I may do, and this poor baby, the pirate lettuce, it didn't grow to its potential. And it's a butter lettuce though. So so this is our garden, and what is it? Day 77 for this garden, and I got plentiful from it. So, hey, now I'm gonna let the Swiss chard do its thing. Okay, continue doing its thing in the parsley, and then we're going to go ahead and wind this down, and I'm just going to end this because I don't know what happened here. And look, stuff is still trying to grow. More romaine lettuce, but I reaped enough. I had a lot of salad from this. I got a lot of Swiss chard, rainbow chard from this. A lot of parsley has been amazing, and the rest of the lettuce. So, hey, I got my work. So I'm gonna probably clear this out, and then I'm gonna need to start another garden with lettuce soon, because I need my lettuce, okay? But the lettuce are quick to grow, so we're not gonna worry so much about that. All right, see you on the next one. Later. Don't forget, tell me what that means. I don't know what happened. Maybe it broke, and then, yeah, I don't know. Hey guys, you see, my parsley is taking over. I got to harvest some of this parsley for real today. yeah. And okay, sorry. And okay, the kale is doing its thing. As you can see, the Swiss chard is doing its thing. So I need to go ahead and harvest this and cook it. And here is the Lola lettuce. Okay. Starting to sprout out there some. So I'm going to get some of those. And this is like, my daughter's been trying to get this pirate lettuce. And my arugula just stopped. So I'm pretty much going to clean up this as well. The kale is still doing what kale does. I'm going to harvest a few of those for my salad today. But yeah, and everything is good. I'm definitely growing some more Swiss chard and going to make sure that I do about 3, at least 2 Swiss chard plants so I can have more. So here we go. That's it. Oh my God. So the bell peppers are looking beautiful. Okay, I got to do some pruning, so that's one. I have been definitely, look at there, y'all. They are looking good. I have another one back here. You see it? Oh, yes. And then there's flower buds. Flower buds. Flower buds coming out. And I have been doing what I'm supposed to do. I am so geeked. I cannot wait till this really it's time to harvest these babies so I can taste them. They're not turning color yet, so they're not ready. They're nice and firm. I'm so excited. Look, like I'm having a baby. I'm so emotional. I'm ready to cry. But anyway, that's an update on some of my older things and gardens, and I will keep you posted and let you know where we are. Thanks for watching. Later.